Hello, everybody. This is the recording for the 2024 release of Bevy Material UI. I've got the showcase example application running from the project. What I want to show you is the progress we've made in some of the components. Particularly, highlights are going to be date time picker and time picker. Also, work on sliders, vertical slider, and then look at theming and internationalization. So let's go first to the slider updates. Before we had horizontal sliders with ticks and and this slider as well. But now we've got a vertical slider here. It's a added feature here that we've added to the sliders. Then we've got the date time picker. So it's a lot more improved than it was the last time we showed this. Coming in here and picking a particular date becomes possible here. We can change modes. We can do input mode here, or go back to date entry mode. Okay. And then time picker. Come in here, you can see we've got ability to pick both the minutes and the hours. We can change all the values here, or do it through an input field. Okay, there. All right. Let's jump over to the theming updates. So here we've got improved theming functionality. So here's what it looks like when you switch themes. So if you need to add, theme support, being able to change the theme dynamically in the system is possible. Colors are a lot richer too. So you can see what impact that has when you change the theme over to something else. And you can see everything changes throughout. Kind of click through them so you can see what that looks like. Green is kind of abrasive, but you kind of get the sense of how much the theming can impact. Let's go back and change to another one. Let's do orange. Pretty much everything. Okay. Then we added, with this release, 024, added translation support, so you can add translation files. The extension is, they're JSON files, but these extensions are Muilang. So this is Japanese here, so you can switch to Japanese. You can see how all the components are actually taking in that translation if they were configured for translations. So let's go take a look at how some of these look, these checkboxes here. So pretty much you have full control over being able to choose what gets translated and what doesn't. You can kind of see how that looks here. That means you can add fonts to your video games and other Bevy projects and be able to fully embed your language into these components. Let me show you my favorite. Let's see. We got, look at these Chinese ones. Awesome. Oh yeah, look at that. Everything gets fully translated over. Come back over here. Yep. So there you have it. Full translation support inside of Bevy Material UI components. Yeah. All right. Well, hope you've enjoyed the progress we've made, and I hope you can actually get to use these libraries. They're pretty cool. All right, everybody. Shalom.